Hi, welcome to another video. In this video I'll discuss about charts. Why do we need charts? Charts are actually used to visualize the numbers. So numbers are already there in the Excel, but we need to visualize them in a picture to show the same information. Okay, so what are the different charts available in Excel to do that, or how do we insert a chart? First of all, we need to make sure that what are the information that actually I wanted in charts. If I look at this data, I can see that this is sales happen in 2023, first 6 months in happen in 4 different locations, and these are the 4 numbers, they are in millions. And also the total and percentage of total is also there. So let me just shade the cells. Okay, so this representing in this sales, and this one for the total, and this one for percentage of total. Okay, in this scenario I only needed this much information because total is actually the sum of all these numbers, and percentage of total is about the total calculated with the help of the total. So I wanted to show them the raw data in a picture. Okay, so I selected only that information, and then I go to the insert tab. Then we will find the charts group, where the first option is to choose the recommended charts. Excel can give you some suggestions, like let me click the recommended charts. So Excel is recommending few different charts that are suitable for the selected data. But in this scenario, let me go to the all charts option, so where I can pick the charts that I wanted. And the first one is the column chart. In column chart you will find clustered column chart and 7 different type of charts available. Clustered column chart, then stacked column, then 100% stacked, and the other 4 ones are actually the 3D charts. And then following line chart, then pie chart, bar, area, map, stock. These are the few different charts available in Excel. Let me start create the column chart, the very first one. Let me click the clustered column one and then click OK. So I got the chart. Okay, so here is my chart. So when I insert the chart gave me few different elements within the chart. So what are the elements present in this chart right now? Why? Because we can add few more elements into the chart if it is required. So let me see what are the elements available in this chart. Let me double click this white portion. Then immediately you will find an option appears on the right side, and it headers saying that format chart area. That means this rectangular box is actually the chart area where all the elements are there. This chart area we can customize it, we can format it, we can change to any different color we want. By default it was white in color, but I can change to any color I want, or even I can make it transparent, or I can apply some gradient, or I can even add some pictures or apply any patterns like that. But anyway, let me go back to the white color. So to show you, the element name is chart area. Now let me click inside. You will find another rectangular box appear that is called plot area. I can do the same with the plot area, like changing the colors and all this stuff. And inside the horizontal line, those lines are called major grid lines. Those are called the major grid lines. Again, I can change the color to something, any color I like, or even I can remove it. For now I'm not going to remove it, I'm just showing the name and what are the formatting options available. Now let me click this bar that is called the data series. Now you can see the data. If I'm not getting this toolbar available on the right side, go to the blanks place and double click on it. Then you will find the chart area, and then click the decide elements. Automatically it will this will appear. And in data bars you will find 3 boxes available. One is called the series options, where you can apply the series options. Like first one is the series overlapping options, like we can overlap, and also we can decrease and increase the gap between the groups. And the formatting, this one changing the colors of the selected bars. And on the left side, this is the axis. This axis, again, I can apply the colors, and also I have some axis options. Axis options here means here the axis option is 0 to 250 and each one is 50. So I can change the unit from 50 to 60 or any number I want. And okay, let me show you this one by, let me change to 40. Now this is changed to 40, and 0 to maximum 240. Maybe I don't want 240, I'll go with 220. Now the chart looks a little bigger. Yeah. So these are the options I can modify. And the chart title, I can double click and modify the chart title. And below the legend, I can change the legend option. Okay, now what are the elements I can add? So select the chart first and then go to chart design, and on the left side add chart elements. Axes are already available in the chart. Axis title actually not there, that is why it is blank. Let me click. If I click it, I get this axis title that is already showing up in the chart. Now chart title that is already there about the chart, but if I don't want, I can click none. Now you can see the preview here, but if I click it, it will disappear. And data labels, so if I want the data labels above or outside the end, I can click it. And data labels means the data table appears within the chart. And then the grid lines options and the legend options. Legend option right now it's bottom, and I can arrange the legend on the left side, top, or the right side. And the trend line is there. We can use the trend line to project the linear one. I mean the domestic is actually going down. This shows that. Okay, so we can add few elements. Okay, and next option here in the chart design is the quick layout. I mean the customization. These layouts available to easily use this format like templates. You can use any of this quick layout you like. And another option is like changing the color using these themes, and the chart styles also available to choose from. These are the few options. And switch rows and columns. Right now we can see that the month and the legend is there. I can switch between the month and the legend. And select data means if I want to omit any of this data, like I don't want June, just click OK. Now the June disappeared from the list. Same way, I can change the chart type to any other chart that I like. And I can move this chart to another sheet if I want. Go to new sheet and click OK. So this chart will appear in a very new sheet. So these are the options available to choose from charts. Thank you for watching this video.